Well, driving the Triumph is kind of like driving a really fast lawnmower. It handles about just as good.
Here I am on the starting grid. She's giving me the 5-minute signal.
So we're going to show you what it's like to take a hot lap around Willow Springs Raceway.
Okay, there's turn 9. We're approaching top speed here. We're midway through the race. Here comes the start-finish line. I'm almost 6,000 RPM, 4th gear, probably doing 125 miles an hour, getting ready to brake. All the way over on the right, brake, turn left, hit that apex, here comes the cone, drift all the way out to the right. Now here's a turn I don't need to use the brakes for. I just put it in third. I can let the hill and the turn slow me down just enough to make it. I'm on the gas here. My Torquey TR3 is pulling this turn. These guys don't have as much torque, and I really climbed this hill well. Now there's going to be a left-hand turn up ahead. There's no way I'm going to pass him on the outside, but I'm showing him that I'm there. Come to the inside, here I am. Maybe he'll make a mistake. Little oversteer, correct. Coming up to the Budweiser balcony. Once again, I'm letting him know here I am. This is probably the trickiest part of the track for my car. It's sort of off camber downhill to the left. So I'm just going to follow the leader here and wait till I can pull him on the straightaway. Get to the top of the hill, shift at the top of the hill, 4th gear, on the gas, accelerating, it's windy, the car is dancing around. I think I got him, he's going to let me in. I'm threading the needle between these two cars. That's a load of 7 in front of me. If I move over to the left, do I have enough space? Not really. So here's turn 9. If I can get on the gas faster than he gets on the gas and pull him. There's the apex, on the gas in the draft. Move over to the left, foot to the floor. Come on, car. The Torquey TR3 pulls to the start-finish line.
Here in California, we get these earthquakes. So I thought it would be a good idea to secure my shelves to the wall. In case there's an earthquake, I don't want the shelves to fall on the car.
Okay, so I'm taking the stuff off the shelves here, making a nice clean workspace. I find the studs. There's the spare engine, getting ready for next year. I mount these 2x4 studs to the wall. There's the stud finder, and they're secure. This is cool. This is carburetor stuff. These are called velocity stacks. They improve the airflow into the carburetor. They suck the air in like a trumpet. I'm currently not running anything at all on the car.
My buddy Selly's about 35,000 feet right now. Hey Selly, I hope your flight's going okay. Can you tell us that story about the bug?
Hey Steve. He's got a 1962 Volkswagen. Put a new engine in it, new flywheel, new tranny. My mechanic was working with me. Went and overhauled the engine from a 1600 to a 2160. Fixed the car up in my parents' garage. Did the whole thing, knocked it all out, made it was all running. It was fly. I had a Porsche 911 tranny in there. Next thing I know, I parked it on the street one day, and I come out and it's gone. Get a call same day. Hey, you want your car back? It's up here in Altadena.
Okay.
I said, how's a thief know my name and where my car's at? Go up there. It's around the corner from my mechanic's house. So apparently, my mechanic got me to buy all this expensive stuff so he could steal my car.
All these parts is gone?
There's a hole. There's a black abyss in there. It's gone.
I've been working on the installation of this aluminum radiator. The old one had this fan on it. The new one has a fan too, but the wiring's a little different. So I'm going to adapt the wiring to make it work with the new fan. Here's the old radiator. It's wired with a ground that grounds to this, which will ground to the chassis when the radiator's bolted in. And this is the hot wire. When I was fixing up Nigel a couple weeks ago, I could see that his computer brain was still pretty active. I wonder what he was dreaming about during the repair.
Hi there, Steve. Thanks for changing my vocal processor back to my natural voice. While I was being repaired, I had an awesome dream. Ouch. I can feel that. I'm so cold. I'm so cold. That hurts. Oh no! Not the clamp. 99 bottles of beer on the wall. 99 bottles of beer. If one of those bottles should happen to fall, 98 bottles of beer on the wall. That hurts. Oh. Oy. Wow, I must be dreaming. Hey, there are two of me. Honey, I shrunk myself. Got my motor running. This is awesome. Yeah! 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 Ooh! I rock! Massive air! Dude! I believe I can fly! Totally radical! Do. Oh no! My awesome dream is over. Robots are superior. Must destroy Steve. I feel much better now.
Hey, thanks for joining me. See you next time.